kanya kwar maoko unyaka sangu. Koro wachakni gi weche manyien. Bad Migago mochung' ne cholo kata chenro mag choko osuru mano KRA bende koro wacho ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla kod bede migepe eketo koda kamago bende mawuok e pinje mag libamba kaachiel koda ka riwruoge ma ok gin mag piny owacho e siro choko mag osuru ma pacho kae. KRA ne obago romo mar ndalo 2 mano magidhi twak ewi chenro mar tiyo kanyakla kod riwruoge mawuok e pinje mamoko mondo mi ging'e lal mag osuru ahinya to mabiro kod ohala matimore e tong' mar Kenya kod pinje mamoko. KRA geto choko ma ok tin ne shillings trillion 3 mondo Kenya onyal siro budget ma shillings trillion 3.6 ma ichano som dweni mar 6.
Within the tax space globally are increasing at increasing speeds, and they are also becoming a lot more complex. Conversations that touch on the economics of tax, but also on the morality of tax systems and processes must therefore be stepped up. And back in KRA, we are having these conversations, not just on how to raise more money, but also on how to participate in baking the cake. This will help tax administrations like Kenya Revenue Authority and others to not only increase their revenue, but to increase their revenue in a sustainable manner.
One of the things that we are grateful for is the importance of collaboration between different stakeholders, especially in the tax landscape. So this conference is evidence of that collaboration. It's important to bring different stakeholders as well as the Committee of Fiscal Studies. It's important to bring the different stakeholders together because, as we all know, the tax landscape is now very wide and the synergies that this convergence brings together helps in bridging the information gap, but also bringing different perspectives in not only tax policy research, but also different perspectives to tax administration on key tax issues that the world is grappling with.